Go, mommy, go, mommy, go, mommy, go. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. But I'm gonna go to my house because I want to go to my house. Pick car. Okay, I went this car because this is so powerful. Hey, fire truck! You know there's a shut up. Okay. I'm gonna pick cool house, everyone. Because this is so cool house. Life together is so trending. Oh, this house, guys. You see this house? I like this house. I'm gonna pick that because that is so many rooms. So I don't even know if I'm gonna pick that. Basta I'm gonna pick that. Whatever what I get and what one. I'm gonna put my car here. And there's a church in there. So let's pick my This is I like this. Thank you. Okay, where's my car? Someone's stealing my car. Bye bye. Lock the door. Like together, it's so powerful today. Like the temperature. Now it's so cold, idiot. Yoko, Bini, Yane, so Yoko, Di ba ako gutom? Gusto din. Sa life together again. Sa June 10 pa po ito mangyayari guys. Nagtitrailer lang po ako. Trailer. Kasi alam niyo naman, wala akong magawa. Nag-part 1 na ako ng OB. Pero tomorrow, kasi kayo naman magko-comment kung whatever you want guys. So, dito po nagtatapos ang ating channel. Bye-bye. Kasi nga po trailer lang po ito. Ay, pinakita lang po sa inyo. Okay, bye-bye!